Hello, Pisces. Let's see what we got here. Incoming energy. Remember, this will not resonate with all Pisces, but I hope to get the majority of you. You feel like something is hopeless in your life. You're feeling a little down and out. Maybe someone feels hopeless towards you. Let's find out what's going on. It's a star card in reverse, by the way. Dealing with the Knight of Rods. Seems like everybody is. It's in reverse. Can be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. As you know, I do not assign one zodiac fire sign or whatever to a court card at all. It's crossing it is the World card, the karmic cycle possibly with this person. It could be that someone is not finished with you or you them. What crowns you or your goal is the Devil. Someone is feeling attached or chained to a situation. In the foundation, someone may get justice for whatever is occurring. So maybe someone is getting their karma, you know. In the past, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, you did get a new start of a stability that you wanted, or you were having trouble doing so. In the near future, you got the Wheel of Fortune. Your luck does change, Pisces, believe it or not. The Wheel of Fortune in the upright. Possible future outcome and advice from the universe. You maybe have trouble moving on from the karmic cycle, but you need to, or someone's having trouble moving on from you. Because remember, I see the Devil. And when I see the Devil, it's someone feeling a little stuck and chained to a situation. So, karmic cycles are still there, or someone dealing with karma. I do see you getting justice, and you get a good fortunate situation coming in. And remember, I got to clarify these. As you know, when I clarify, I can change the whole story up. So, stick with me. What is coming towards you, or the outside environment that's beyond your control, is the King of Cups. This could be another water sign. It's usually older and more mature, and they usually are there for, I don't know, to give you a emotional support. This person is coming towards you. I don't think it's you because it's the outside environment. They are in the uprights. We'll clarify. Your hopes and fears are hoping towards the King of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles is known as the ultimate family man. If this is a gentleman or someone that you are interested in, it could be a Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I'm thinking it's you're hoping for someone who is stable. That's what you're wanting, someone that has stability. Or you yourself can take us on this energy where you're wanting stability and wanting the things you're wanting. In the end, you're not sure about accepting an offer. Someone's going to make you an offer, Pisces. I'm going to use this other deck. I do pre-shuffle beforehand and concentrate on your sign. I meditate on your sign. But let's find out from the beginning what's going on. You do get a fortunate situation changing in your favor, and it looks like karma is on your side. But let's go back to the beginning with the Knight of Rods. And what's in reverse, and what's crossing it is the World card. So the Knight of Rods in reverse, the World, why you there? For Pisces, what's going on? Past situation of past person as the Six of Cups. Like I said, it's a karmic situation. It looks like you're going to get what's due to you in a positive sense with the Justice as a foundation, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. So Knight of Rods, the World card crossing it with the Six of Cups in the upright. Why are you there? For Pisces. And you're thinking about them, or they're thinking about you, someone from the past, or of a situation that had occurred that wasn't very fair in a way. But someone's thinking about a past failed situation with the Seven of Pentacles and thinking about how they can move forward. Now, your goal, what crowns you, is a Devil. Maybe you are dealing with a Devil type person, like a Capricorn. But it's more like, to me, like I said, it's feeling chained. So the Devil in the upright, why you there? For Pisces. That's what crowns them. Yeah, you may get an offer. You may hear from someone with a love offer, and I know that over here. It could be a water sign. Someone young at heart. So, the Devil, Page of Cups, both in the upright, is what crowns Pisces. Why are you there? What is going on? Yeah, someone's going to offer you something, or you're going to get a message of some sort. Someone's chained you. Someone feels bound to you. Because the Ace of Wands, someone's wanting a passionate new beginning. And they may send you a message of love or friendship or even a gift. Now, the Foundation, you got Justice. You get justice. You know, it's all about justice and getting your karmic rewards, you know. So the Justice in the upright while you're there for Pisces as the Foundation. King of Pentacles in reverse. So you get justice possibly against the King of Pentacles, you know, that involves the King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. So, Justice in the upright, King of Pentacles in reverse while you're there for Pisces as the Foundation. Knight of Cups, you get justice, and it involves some type of watery type energy, or this could be you. You get justice that involves the King of Pentacles that left you emotionally feeling like things weren't going your way and felt like you weren't getting stability. So whatever happens, things do turn in your favor, Pisces, because in the past it wasn't there, because you got the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So the Ace of Pentacles in reverse while you're there for Pisces in the past. Why are you there? What is going on? Yeah, you weren't looking for, your ships didn't come in. Let me put it that way with the Three of Wands in reverse. And maybe you gave up on something. Because remember, before we felt like something was hopeless in the income and energy. So the Ace of Pentacles and the Three of Wands, both in reverse in the past for Pisces while you're there. Could have to do with the Queen of Wands energy, a fire type energy. You're dealing with a few people here, or I'm just dealing with a lot of Pisces that are dealing with different signs also. But the Queen of Wands could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but maybe you're thinking something just didn't come in the past with this Wands energy. But in the very near future, you got Wheel of Fortune in the upright, so things are turning in your favor, Pisces. So Wheel of Fortune in the upright while you're there for Pisces, in the very near future while you're there. Yeah, you're regaining strength and getting good fortune. With the Strength card in the upright, Wheel of Fortune, Strength card both in the upright while you're there for Pisces. In the very near future. Knight of Swords, I'm dealing with all the signs here. There's fire, there's earth, there's water, and there's air. Something moves forward quickly, though, with the Knight of Swords. It'll come quickly, whatever is going on. Your fortune's going to start changing pretty quick, you know. Now, possible future outcome and advice from the universe is the Six of Swords in reverse. Someone's having trouble moving on, whether you or somebody else. So, Six of Swords in reverse. Why are you there for Pisces? Yeah, the universe is telling you to go ahead and move on. Don't stay stuck. Don't go back to the, things in the past that weren't working out. Be happy. Go for happiness this time. So the Six of Swords in reverse, the Sun card in the upright while you're there for Pisces. Possible future outcome or advice from the universe while you're there. Hierophant. Because someone is there for you to support you with the Hierophant. Someone's going to be there for you. Your luck is changing. For some of you, someone may offer you something with stability. So it's more or less saying, don't go accepting things from the past that no longer serve you. Go forward. Go forward. Now, the outside environment, what is coming towards you beyond your control, and I'm going to let this come out because it's wanting to. King of Cups, again, you got a water sign coming towards you that wants to come out of disappointment, and they want a happy situation with you with the Four of Wands. So someone is interested in you, Pisces. Someone's interested in you. Someone of the emotional nature that's very, very supportive, like I said, and very kind. And they're wanting this happy situation. They want to come out of disappointment themselves in life, maybe, too. It may not be just with you. Maybe they just want something better in their lives also, you know. Now, your hopes and fears is the King of Pentacles. Maybe you're wanting this type of person, you know. They call it the marriage material type person. But, you know, maybe you're this way. Maybe you want to take on this energy, or you just want this for yourself as an overall thing. So the King of Pentacles in the upright for Pisces while you're there as the hopes and fears. The World in reverse. That's that karmic type situation again. You're not, you're dealing with a karmic situation, and even though you get justice with karma, you got to let that, old thing go, that old situation, because you're hoping for something in the past in the way. So the King of Pentacles in the upright, the World card in reverse while you're there for Pisces, in the hopes and fears. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, you're afraid something's just going to come to a dead halt also, or you're afraid it just won't move forward. Now, in the end, someone's going to offer you something, but you're not sure whether you want to take it or not. You don't think. Maybe you think they're not exciting enough. Maybe you think you want something else. Because I do see, like, a King of Cups coming towards you, like I said. But it's like you're almost pining away for somebody else, even though karma is on your side and your fortune is changing. And someone wants this passionate new beginning with you. They're stuck on you. Someone's really stuck on you. But you're like, I don't know if I'll accept this Cups energy. So the Four of Cups in the upright, while you're there for Pisces in the final outcome. Justice again. You get justice. You're getting everything you deserve. But at the same time, you're still, some of you may be pining away or not trusting in a situation. You're getting everything that's due to you. Like I said, karma is on your side. So the Four of Cups in the upright, justice in the upright, while you're there in the final outcome. For Pisces. And a collaboration. You got more than just one person interested in you too, with the Three of Pentacles. So it's like the world is your oyster. You get to accept anything you want. Maybe you just want to have a little fun in life. Maybe it has to do with relationships. Because the Hierophant, a lot of times when I see that, I see someone getting it's sort of like a marriage proposal in a way, or actually making things final, I should say. Because usually you go before the Hierophant or a leader or something that is that is solid, that is conformity, that is that the society thinks needs to be etched in stone in some way. But you're wanting to be happy. But at the same time, you're not wanting to go back into the old yuck stage, or where things didn't work out and where you had to deal with certain people that didn't work, that was hopeless. So it looks like, you've got a choice here, Pisces. You've got a couple people interested in you. Hopefully you see it. Hopefully they come towards you the way you're wanting to, because in the end, you get the Ten of Pentacles in the upright. You get everything you're wanting, your overall financial stability, your overall stability in general. You get wealth, and maybe that's why you're not accepting anybody's cup, because maybe you just really don't want it, But you're getting some offers in there. People are really wanting to approach you. It's up to you whether you do something about it. Now I'm going to give a love reading. It could follow through with, the same as this. It could just, be the same. Or we get a totally different energy. But I need 3 cards for Pisces of the love reading of the angel romance cards. New love coming in, Pisces. A new person that has stirred your romantic feelings. Someone's coming up that loves you, that wants you. So, one more card. Let's see what's going on. Because I still see you dealing with another person. I need another card for Pisces. I thought you had new love coming in. Someone's wanting something from you. And a past life relationship. Yeah, I know you're dealing with more than one person. So this is someone you have known before in a past relationship with. And I do see that karmic. Remember, I said karma has a lot to do with past relationships too. But it's like you got new love and you got a past relationship. Or maybe someone that's new is a soulmate type person, So I need another card for Pisces. New love and past life relationships. Why aren't you accepting? That's what I want to know. This could be the one. So whoever's offering you something, the one you really want, it could be the one that you're wanting, but you may reject them. Because you're not sure. You're like, I'm getting everything good now, and I don't know if I want to mess it up with somebody, that's offering a relationship. And some of you are still thinking about the past relationship people, or they're still coming in. But the new love, I'm thinking that could be the one. And divine timing is at hand. I don't usually read the last one of these, but I will. I'll rock the boat. Divine timing is at hand Work in your love life. So divine timing is at hand. Work in your love life. Worth waiting for. So this new love is coming in, is offering you something. Maybe they are a past karmic relationship, but I see more than one person here, I'll be honest with you. And someone's going to offer you something. You may say, he may be boring, or she may be boring, or whoever you're dealing with. So this is your reading, Pisces. You got love finally coming in. I know you've been asking for a while. But it looks like, the world is your oyster, but you and yours, like I said, you may not want to accept it because maybe things are going too good and you're like, I don't want to mess my life up. Well, anyway, it'd be different for everybody. Leave it in the comments if I have them open, and I will talk to you later. Bye.